Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to change Twitter setting to see sensitive content. First, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the top left corner. From the side panel, tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy and Safety from the given option. Now go to the content you see. Tap the toggle button, and turn on the display media that may contain sensitive content option. And you will change the Twitter setting to see sensitive content on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to change the Twitter setting to see sensitive content on Twitter. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.